Okay, let's dive into the wild evolution of Netflix, all the way to its aggressive 2026 reality.
But first, a quick piece of trivia for you. What was this streaming giant originally called? Believe it or not, the pre-launch codename was actually Kibble, beating out rejected names like Netpix.
Founded back in '97 as a DVD service, their constant pivoting literally built the modern streaming era. And their absolute secret weapon, the personalized video ranger algorithm, powering that highly customized homepage. Why rely so heavily on algorithms? Well, because users lose interest and bounce in just 60 to 90 seconds. Personalization doesn't just suggest shows, it actually multiplies their usable catalog size by a factor of 4. You know, you can even bypass that algorithm entirely using secret category codes to unlock hidden genres. All that user data fueled massive original content bets, like a staggering $130 million for The Crown. They track everything, like how 50% of couples stream cheat, or someone watching Madagascar 352 times. Insane, right? So, fast forward to 2026. The Wild West of streaming is officially over. It's the era of strict rules. The real game changer is a harsh 2026 crackdown. They now require unique emails to completely ban password sharing. They're also aggressively axing shows like 1899 based strictly on low viewer completion rates. No mercy. So, will these strict 2026 bans and cutthroat cancellation policies secure their future, or ultimately doom it?